hear us. Nice to meet you. We're gonna eat. I think I left my hair tied.
Hey, Bay Girls here. This is
Lady Lani.
and
J Ray, don't play.
J Ray Eats. We're gonna start a
Avocado pesto pasta.
avocado pesto
Avocado.
pasta.
So California.
And we got some banana bread and
garlic
With
bread.
walnuts.
garlic bread, and we got some salad because we gotta be healthy.
And persimmons.
And persimmons. Hey,
Wow.
wow, honey pie.
It's all good, bro. You don't need to donate. You don't need a tip. We're just here to eat.
You should donate and tip.
I'm gonna let my hair down now. You know.
It's not
Hi, Angie,
necessary.
Simple Joy.
We're just here to have fun and provide the best content that we can.
Time to eat. Time to cook. Time to eat.
Itadakimasu.
You don't have like all your ingredients out. Your dishes aren't put away. So
Word of
we're
the
just
day.
getting everything ready to go. So we have the recipe book right here, just in case we need it.
Oh yeah, because cooking shows they have everything already.
It's all measured
Ready,
out.
just
That's why it looks like they can cook so fast. But you know, behind the scenes, they probably took at least
Like
30
it prepped,
minutes.
yeah.
30 minutes to do all that measuring out, cutting, chopping, and then when you're watching the cooking show, it's the 10 minutes of cooking. It's so quick.
Yeah.
Speak Japanese. That's good. Nice. All right.
Do you have salt?
Next.
I saw your pepper.
Oh yes.
Salt. Oh, perfect. We get a lot of
Oh,
salt.
that's cool.
Oh, you need garlic salt?
Sure, but salt just in general too. There it is. Okay. So I do need. We'll need a big like mixing bowl so we can mix like the
Hold on.
sauce and the pasta together once it's all cooked and ready to go.
I don't think I have a big mix.
Got our wine ready to go. So we already explained it on their feeds, but I'm just saying it to you guys. Right now we're working on our mise en place. If you haven't heard of mise en place is French saying for everything in place. So the majority of your cooking is actually done before the actual cooking itself. It's your prep work. You have to make sure you have good prep work in order to have a successful, like cooking session. So you want to make sure all your vegetables are cut, that you have all your pots and pans and everything out ready to go. You want to measure out your ingredients, and you want to make sure that your station is clean and organized. So we've kind of done that right now. We have our water boiling, we have our pan ready to go. We all have our little assignments. So we're about to get started. So just bear with us, and a nice drizzle, maybe 1-2 tablespoons. We always add more for consistency.
Oh, this is how you make pesto, the style of the avocado. It said, what's her name? The person that influenced you to make it like this?
This is Chef Chloe's.
Oh wow, she actually got
Chef
a book.
Chloe.
Oh my god.
She is a really
Okay.
well-known vegan chef. She's
Dude.
actually Bay Area native. She's from Berkeley. She went to UC Berkeley,
Oh, wow.
and she got her claim to fame by going on Cupcake Wars, and
Oh.
she won the competition with her vegan chocolate strawberry cupcakes. The whole competition, people underestimated her. They said, "No way can a vegan cupcake win first."
She proved them
Yeah,
wrong.
she proved them
She
wrong.
proved them
And
wrong.
since then, she's opened up her own line of restaurants across the country, like in New York
Yeah.
and Bay Area. And I got her signed,
Wow. Okay.
signed by Chef Chloe. With love, Chef Chloe.
Did you see her in Berkeley or like? where
I
you
have
see
not
her?
met her.
But you guys
I just
signed.
thought because I went to her restaurant in New York.
Oh. How fun. Do you plan on going Cupcake Wars?
Nah, I don't bake. That's the thing, I
Maybe
cook,
not.
but I don't bake.
I'm gonna like squish this on the table so the garlic cloves can come out.
Oh, should we put some
Squish
music?
them.
Or
This
is
is
it copyrighted?
good. Yeah, copyrighted. It wouldn't be able to like keep the VOD.
We can't play music because of copyright
We
issues.
could play it after, like add it to the video later when we edit. So here I go making these clothes.
So J Ray's
You know.
starting on the garlic bread for our garlic bread. He's gonna mince some garlic, add some olive oil, salt and pepper, and Bay Girl is getting some focaccia, fresh focaccia cut up. And let's get our oven on as well. 350.
All right, uncloving the clove. We are making
And you have a
avocado
pan, right?
pesto
Oh, are we gonna use
pasta.
this? Or you wanna use the big one? We can use this one. This, yeah, this is better.
Yo, I want to sip my wine now.
Or I don't have a tray, so this is the only
Yeah,
tray.
that's my
Use
garlic.
this one.
Oh, you smell that? You smell that? Smells good, huh?
Can I preheat this?
Oh, garlic Gilroy Festival. We out here. Have y'all ever been to Garlic Gilroy Festival?
No.
I have not. You know,
yeah,
I really wanted to go when I was younger.
Same.
But then the older I get, the more I realize I don't know if I really want to go.
It's
I
like
heard-
fun.
far.
I heard, yeah, it's far. It's like
And it's
115 degrees, and then
Ah.
you gotta pay like
Yeah.
$15 a dish.
Hey, unless we got sponsored, you get a rental
Oh, yeah.
car. You guys gonna like, I don't know, Enterprise gonna hook us up with a rental.
No,
We'll be out
we
there.
can hit them up and be like, hey, we're foodie influencers and you get it for free. Like that's how I did it with the NorCal Night Market.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah. And then we have to hit up like the individual vendors though.
Dude, and you got like free food?
Yeah. And then
Okay.
like we can skip the line. And stuff.
Okay. Did you hear that? That's how we do it. Straight to the DM. Open mouth gets fed.
Yeah, DM. Slide in the DMs.
Look how beautiful this avocado is. We did good.
Dang.
And that beautiful.
They got some
It's okay.
pure
Yeah.
That's pretty
non-pimple.
cute avocado.
Perfect avocado. We were a
These
little
garlic
worried because
bread.
when we got there, the majority of avocados were really like
Is this enough bread?
underripe. Yeah, that's good. We can
Beautiful.
always make some more. As long as we have enough spread.
What a pro.
Okay.
You gotta taste your food before you make
You
it.
can't do that in a restaurant. But we're here, so.
Shella looked at me when she licked the spoon. They left you with the
I
garlic.
gotta turn it on? Is it? Yeah.
This is a storing
Yeah, I got it.
Storing wood stick. Oh,
I got it.
there
Bing! Bing!
We are cooking. Cheers. Some Stella Rosa.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Ooh,
Kanpai. Alright, so we got our lemon
pretty
juice.
sweet.
Yeah, it's
wow,
really sweet.
love it.
We got our pine nuts going. Avocados, lemon juice. Let's put some garlic in here.
Garlic on dip.
Can you put maybe a tablespoon or two?
This is not a tablespoon.
Oh, more
It's
than that.
probably like that.
Yeah. We gotta
Oh,
put some more.
it's spilled. Oh my god, I'm not clean. Oh my god, horrible. Horrible.
It's okay.
Fired.
If
Fired.
cooking was clean, cooking's not supposed to be clean. When you clean, you're supposed to get messy, right?
But you gotta be organized or you're fired.
I mean, no, everything's organized, but it doesn't have to be clean.
Okay.
I mean, you're gonna make a mess.
I mean, on the resume is like, keep your area clean.
Well, clean to an extent.
Okay.
So yeah, you spilled, but then you wipe it off. And there you go. That's
And then you
salt.
move on.
Salt.
It's okay to fail in life. You just continue, keep going, move forward.
Oops.
That's some good looking grape juice. Ah, yes.
Pepper?
Delicious. My hands are sticky from the garlic. So,
And for the magic ingredient in a pesto, olive oil.
Woo!
Still not sponsored by Trader Joe's.
Can you write down olive oil for
Yeah,
me?
Trader
Let me see that
Joe's
olive oil. Let's sit
here.
down there. Write it down.
Garlic olive oil.
Olive oil.
Trying to make do without a tripod. Okay.
If you like olive
Oh
oil,
my God, guys, we're so ridiculous. We have 3 feeds going on.
if you like,
in like every
olive oil,
direction.
type one.
Your shirt's
If you don't
inside
like-
out, by the way.
It's not sponsored. Not
We
sponsored.
did it on purpose. We did it on purpose.
Okay.
Oh wait, my shirt's out backwards. Like,
We did it on purpose, right? It's not sponsored.
It's not sponsored.
I'm not sponsored by Sports Basement, although that would have been awesome. Sports Basement is cool.
How's our pine nuts look there? Is it even on?
Some are brown.
It's on level 5.
I don't know how. Here, let's turn it on. We want it golden brown. Alright, so we want. Oh, this smells good. Oh, smell that.
Smells like oil.
But no, garlic!
No, I smell the garlic. I smell
It
the
smells like
garlic.
garlic. It smells really good. Cooking is an art, baking is a science, and unfortunately I suck at baking. So that's still working. Oh yeah, we're getting toasty here.
Hey, this feels like Benihana. You know when they got the garlic and then it pumped the heart.
They do that with the garlic.
Oh wait, no, not the garlic, but the
The
fried
rice.
rice. It looked like fried rice. Never mind. I'm not a Benihana chef.
So we're gonna prep the bread by adding some olive oil on top. Okay.
Look at that
Okay.
olive oil spread.
So
Look at that
your
drizzle.
garlic has been minced. Let's make our spread. So
Yeah.
let's add some oil
Okay.
in the bowl.
Oil. How much? One teaspoon? Tablespoon?
2 tablespoons. No more.
Oh,
To
tablespoon.
go. I'll let you know to stop. More. Okay, good. Add your garlic.
All of it?
Let's try half.
All of it? Like
Let's try-
olive oil?
Let's try half right now.
Half of the garlic. Do you get it? All of it? Or not? Not all of it. Half of
Oh my god, you're ruining that knife.
it. Is that bad?
This is bubbling.
1 and a spoon, right?
Garlic bay.
You have another spoon.
Hey, Jeff Chen.
Garlic bay out here.
Garlic Bay's out here.
Okay, here's a spoon.
Garlic Bay.
Alright,
Okay.
let's add some garlic salt.
Garlic salt with
See.
the garlic.
We're just gonna eye it. For me, I'm all about eyeing.
Did you watch the meme where the lady was like, "Oh, you put 1 shot of hard liquor"?
Sandra Lee! Sandra Lee's my
Oh, that's
bitch.
Sandra Lee?
Sandra Lee's my
Like,
bitch,
semi-homemade.
man. Semi-homemade cooking.
Semi-homemade.
2 shots of vodka. Glug, 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 glug.
Yo, is this too hot?
No, it's good. How's the pine nuts? Can you toss the pine nuts?
Oh,
You can turn it off if it's golden brown.
some of them look black.
Yeah, turn it off. Alright.
Okay, I put it off the heat.
Oh, that's good.
Almost.
This
Alright.
pasta with vanilla
So
sauce.
we're right at the edge of over toast. Chicken going. We got our gnocchi going. Our pasta's done. Our bread. We're gonna put it into the oven. This will go really quickly. So keep an eye on that. Guess what? We got your salad. Woo!
Hey, salad. Pasta.
We went for baby spinach with cranberries.
Okay. We need a
Wow,
rinse
look
it
at that.
or not?
We're
It's
so
pretty rich, right?
yeah.
Wash.
We're so accommodating of everyone's dietary needs here.
Yeah, right. It's called equality,
And
bro.
then this is also another example of like how you can have friends over for dinner. Everyone's got different dietary needs, and you're able to accommodate everyone.
There
Like
you go.
tasty.
Okay, how's that?
Okay, and that can go in the oven.
This is our garlic bread.
This is a packet from Trader Joe's.
Not
Garlic
sponsored by
bread.
Trader Joe's. Not an hashtag, not an ad.
This is just what we're using for today for the sake of the strength.
It's also gluten free. Made from cauliflower.
So stove top. We're doing it. We're making it with olive oil. Just pan frying it. Another noodle drop. Call that the noodle drop. Gnocchi, not sponsored.
Oh, what camera do you have? Oh wait, I have my DSLR too.
Oh, okay, yeah, this is your
Yeah.
The aerial view. This is what I learned recently. Just take pictures.
Alright,
from the
ready?
top.
We're gonna get this going here. We're gonna pesto go. It's a little under still. So I'm looking at the consistency. It kind of looks like guacamole, so we want to add more oil.
Oh,
We
my
dropped
last
the
stream.
We dropped the stream.
Oh, I got 3
Save the
viewers.
stream.
Hey guys.
After that photo time.
Oh, we
Yummy
have the-
party.
Yeah, yummy party. If you want to join us,
Yo,
definitely.
party.
Sure. I love
Wow!
sunburnt
Oh my god, that
tomatoes.
looks so cool.
Right? It adds
The pop of
it
color.
adds color.
The color.
It adds texture.
It's Christmassy or winter.
It's Christmassy.
It's a
Oh my
perfect
god.
Christmas
We
dish.
got our vegan chicken
Damn.
that's been here, so
More
I'm gonna
color.
use this Tom's here.
Damn, bro.
Add
Can you say damn?
Damn.
fuck. No. Chicken.
Wait, so what did they use for the chicken, vegan chicken?
I think it's made
Tofu?
from wheat gluten. But you can look on the package. It's in the freezer.
And it tastes like chicken?
Dude, you will tell me.
Oh,
It's been
okay.
a while.
Oh.
It's been a while since I've had real chicken. It's been 14 years, so you tell me.
Damn.
But I
Wait,
think it's really good, and my friends think it's really good.
so whenever you accidentally eat stuff like that, like meat, did you get like stomach hurts?
Yes,
Oh.
I do. Or more so with meat, and then also dairy does it.
Oh, lactose.
I'm not. It's just like after a while, when your body's just not
Your,
used to it
your
anymore.
body doesn't need it.
When you look at a basil plant, my favorite part to get to garnish is the very end. We have the little fun leaves at the end.
Do this whole thing. The bottom
Like
part.
at the very
of
top
this-
where you have the little baby leaves.
Oh,
Like, that's what we want.
wow.
Amazing.
Damn, bro, is this from the cooking show? The one on Food Channel? This is the Food Networking?
I'm the Food Network now.
The Food Network?
I am the Food Network now.
Can you teach us and we try? Alright, your turn. Go try.
Here.
Okay.
Garnish.
Can I get this
Garnish
this
some
little
top.
bud?
Oh, look at that. Big girls eat.
Oh, we forgot
Garnish.
pine nuts. Let's just add a couple.
Is that sprinkle?
It's like boiling water. Basically, GTFO, or I'm gonna pour this boiling water on your
Dude,
head.
I'm learning. Look soy. And
So if you go to like a pho restaurant and you hear nook soy, that means get the fuck out of the way.
Wow.
Like move.
Like
move.
literally fucking move.
And then Lang Loi is like beautiful girl. And
In Chinese, yeah.
Chinese, Mandarin,
I think
Cantonese?
we need a wine break, guys.
Oh yeah, you're right. Here, let's get one. Big girls
See,
eat.
look, we're
Big
forgetting our
girls
pine nuts. That's how
Oh
it
no.
works.
Pine nuts.
Should I mix this noodles? Wow. It's the food photography time.
No, right? It's not perfect anymore.
Yeah, we go the good old days.